Morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Fiat 500X. And welcome back to another review stroke how-to video. This is another nice little added extra that you can put on your Fiat 500X that makes it stand out from the crowd, but only at night. This is it, the box behind me, if you can read it. Shadow lights. What are they, I wonder? Let's show you. So here we have it. Here they are. These are little projectors that project the Fiat 500X logo onto the ground. These cars, I'm not sure whether all trim levels have them, probably not. But if you've got puddle lights, which I will show you, I'll get down underneath, climb on the floor and show you under there. There you go, you can see it's on. So that just pulls out, and these are a direct replacement. And what it does is through there, through the little lens there, projects onto the ground. Obviously you won't appreciate it until it's dark, and I will film it when it's dark so you can see it. But that rather than just having a light like so, you get a nice little projection of the 500X logo, a bit like you do on Minis and other cars, other posh cars. Sometimes you'll get cars that have got them in the mirror, but these ones have got them in the bottom of the door, which personally I think is a better place. So they should be a direct replacement. So let's take that one out, take the old one out, and put this one in and see if it works. So you should be able to see the light there. Let's get my head in the way. Maybe I'll try and prise this out. Just get a screwdriver in there. There you go. Comes out as easy as anything. Oh, it's quite warm. Surprisingly warm, that. So we need to take that out. Oh, very warm, in fact. Get the screwdriver in there. Pull out the power cable, and that's the original. Now I don't know if they're sided or not. I think they're both the same. Let's see. There's the original, which is quite warm. Obviously, there's a bulb in there. And that's the new one. So we'll wire that in. I mean, it should obviously come on straight away, which it does. You can't see it. You can see it on my hand. Let me try and get the camera closer and see if you can see it on my hand. Hang on, let's angle this camera. Bear with me. There, you can see that on my hand. 500X in green, white and red, with the X in red over the red 500. That's really cool. Now, assuming it does it, let's just put that up there. Assuming it does it the right way round, need to push that home. There you go. That's in. Yeah. So that's doing it 500X, so reading from that side. So I don't know whether that's actually the right way around or not. I don't know if it matters really. Which way would we have it reading? Would we have it reading from this way? We probably would actually, so I'm going to take that out. Try the other one and see if it's the other way around. Because I think it might be better if 500X reads sort of this way from this side. Is that going to do that? Yes. Yeah, so they are sort of sided, but then it depends which way you want to put it round. So yeah, so that now reads 500X reading from this side. I think that's probably better. So let's do the other side, and then that'll be yet again another quick job. Okay, so doing the other side now. So again, prise it out with a screwdriver. Try not to break it. I know it's going to be hot this time, although this door hasn't been open for quite so long as the other one had. So prise that off, plug and play, just plug it in and it works. There you go. And then again, 500X pointing this way. And I'm looking forward to, when it gets dark tonight, I will film it and show you that as well. So that's the box. 3D shadow lights. Open special is different door lights upgrade parts. The finest Chinese translation. So they're LED lights. Energy saving and environmental protection and low consumption lighting. 3D laser. I'm not sure it's 3D, but there you go. So we'll keep those, obviously. Should one ever break, at least we've got the originals that we can put back in. So that's a great little addition, don't you think? I think so. So again, that's a really quick job that I think just, again, makes the car stand out from the others. So that's a good job. Right, I better turn the garage lights off to try and make these lights show up quite brightly. It's a bit dark, I'm afraid. We can see the car anyway, but yeah, it's a bit dark. Sorry about that. Okay, let me just unlock the car, and then we'll show you the lights. This is a few days later because I filmed it the other day with the lights on the garage on, and you couldn't actually see it. 'Cause you could see it, but you couldn't see it on the camera. So check this out. Look at that. How cool does that look? What do you think? You can't really even you can't even see the door. Camera's not good in the dark. How cool is that? What do you think? I think it makes it a little bit more individual, doesn't it? Obviously you can't see it very much in the day, but it's great at night. So that's it. So that's another really quick video from Love 500X. Do I need to say that every time I do one on this car? I don't know. Anyway, that's another one of the how-to videos. Little transformation there. Very cheap. I'll put the link. These were bought from Wish, I think, not AliExpress, although I do think AliExpress do them. So I'll find the link on AliExpress if they do. If not, I'll post the Wish link. I know Wish do still sell them because I saw them a couple of weeks ago. Quite cheap. Again, I can't remember what they were offhand, and I will put in the video, I will put what they cost, but they were minimal cost, and I think a great little addition. So that's it for this video. Don't forget there were lots more how-to videos on various things, some as easy as this, some not quite so easy. Take a look in the how-to series. You'll find lots of videos in there on how to do things on a Fiat, mainly on a Fiat 500, but we're starting to do a few bits and pieces on the Fiat 500X now. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're not a subscriber, please click on the button and also give us a thumbs up and share this video far and wide. Thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next one.